This video will explain health insurance waiting period. When you buy health insurance, the coverage does not start for all illness immediately. You must wait for certain time before you can claim for some treatments. This time is called the waiting period. What is a waiting period? A waiting period is the time you must wait after buying the policy before you can claim money for specific medical conditions. Simple meaning, you buy the policy today, some benefits start only after a fixed time. Now we will see why do insurance companies keep a waiting period. This rule exists to stop people from buying insurance only after they become sick. Keep the system fair for everyone. Prevent misuse of the policy. Now we will see types of waiting period in health insurance. First type is initial waiting period. This is the first waiting period after buying the policy. Duration is usually 30 days. The rule is no claims allowed during this time. Exception, accidents are covered immediately. For example, you buy a policy today. If you get a fever within 10 days, not covered. If you meet with an accident, it is covered. Second type is waiting period for pre-existing diseases. Important concept is pre-existing disease. A pre-existing disease is the health problem you already had before buying the policy, like diabetes, BP, thyroid, and asthma. Duration is usually 2 to 4 years. For example, you already have diabetes when you buy the policy. Your diabetes treatment will be covered only after the waiting period is completed. Third type is waiting period for specific diseases. Some illnesses have a fixed wait time, even if you did not have them before. For example, hernia, cataract, joint replacement, piles, and kidney stones. Duration is usually 1 to 2 years. Fourth type is maternity waiting period. This applies if your policy covers pregnancy and delivery expenses. Duration is usually 9 months to 3 years. Simple meaning, you cannot buy a policy today and claim for delivery next month. Now we will see when does the waiting period start. The waiting period starts from the policy start date. If you renew your policy on time every year, then the waiting period keeps reducing. Finally, it becomes zero. What happens after the waiting period is over? After you complete the waiting period, you can claim for those treatments. Full benefits become active. If you stop renewing your policy and buy a new policy later, then the waiting period starts again from zero. So always renew on time. Now we will see real life example. You buy a health insurance today. First 30 days only accidents covered. After 1 year, some listed diseases covered. After 3 years, pre-existing diseases covered. Now your policy becomes fully powerful. So the conclusion is health insurance gives full benefits only after you complete the waiting period. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.